What is going on, my peoples? How is everybody doing? The beginning of the new year. Happy New Year, my first video of the year. Let's keep this year rolling. Last year was my back test year, so I wasn't active that much on YouTube at the end of the year. But this year, we're gonna live trade. Live trade on YouTube, my people. Starting tomorrow, 8:30, 9:30 a.m., my peoples. Let's let's talk about the market. Why don't we? Hope everybody's good. I hope everybody did everything for their everything came through for their holidays. Everybody had a good time. Let's check out the calendar for this week, my peoples. Today was a good trade. Today was a bearish move. I was on a plane back home. I took a little trade back test on the plane. It was okay. It was alright. Took a I sold at 9:32 I think it was. Boom, sell that bitch. Tomorrow Wednesday, October data. That's all day. Oh, today's Wednesday. My bad. I'm sorry. Tomorrow's Thursday. So 2 a.m. Thursday we have GDP MM, and at 8:30 we have unemployment claims and Paris State Manufacturing and Philly Fed Manufacturing Index. And Friday we have 5 a.m. BOE. What? Gov Bailey speaks. So I've been watching the daily because the daily's been on a premium. Okay. How do you know it's on a premium? Okay. My eyes goes right here to this high right here. Okay. So this is the trading range the market makers are trading in. This is the range of trading from this high to this low. Okay. Right here, what did it do? He take out what? The buy stops. So he sold everything he had in their pockets to the buyers up here. Okay. I'm looking down. Why? Because if you put your fib, this is a new high. He took out this high out. That's a new high. If you put your fib from this high to, let's say, you can put, see, it didn't take any low out, so it's not a low. I don't. The low is right here. This low here took out all these lows. See this low here. Let me take out to the side. This swing here to the downside took out this low. That's a new low right here. Okay. It's a up close candle, but it's a low, my people. Understand that, alright? It's a up close candle, yes, but it's a low. Okay. If this is your low and this is your new high because it took out this high out, that's a new high. Okay. Meaning daily wise in the daily chart, we are at premium. Okay. If you go to the left, there's nothing else down up here. Nothing. But if you look here, there's 1, 2, 3 lows. This low is not protected. This low is not protected. This one is with this low right there. That's protected with that one. But I'm looking for it to go through this. Because down here we have what? Imbalances. There's a gap here. All this shit down here I gotta be filled in. There's lows here. Boom. This one did not take out this low, so there's money here. There's money here. There's no more money here. He took it out. See, took it out. Boom. Went back up. Now what did he leave? Double bottoms. So we have double bottoms here, taking out all the highs up here. So now I'm looking for a reversal in the market. A reversal. Why? Because the money's in the bottom of the market. Okay. So now I'm waiting for what? I'm waiting for a break of market shift to the downside. Well, not shift. Break the market structure because this is the daily, okay? So if this is a break of market structure here, this has to break underneath. Price has to break, close underneath, come back up, reprice to that old low, and then bounce and then drop. Okay, that's what I'm looking for right now on S&P 500. Okay, now we go to Nasdaq, and Nasdaq should give me the same thing. Okay, Nasdaq is trading in this range from this high to this low. But what happened here? What happened here? What do you guys don't see that I see? Trading in the middle of the range. You didn't want to go up here. You see that? That's why I'm not trading Nasdaq right now. Understand that? But if you go to S&P 500, it took out the high already. Boom. If it's gonna come down, I'm waiting for a break of market structure here. If it doesn't break market structure, then it's going up. Then I'm going back to S&P 500, Nasdaq 100, and looking for what? Bullishness to take out this high. The market's that easy, my people. You just gotta have understanding of market structure. Okay, this right here is your order block right here. This swing here took out the low. On the way up, boom, what happened? It broke to the upside, made it an order block. Okay, we cut through candles, my people. We cut through candles. Cut through candles. Learn that. Doesn't matter. That's your order block. That's your bullish order block. Okay. He came down. What did it do? It didn't break it to the downside. He came down to the middle of it. Check it out. To equilibrium of this high to this low. Watch. I didn't even have the Fibonacci on it. I already know he went through to the middle of this order block. It's all eyes, money. All eyes on what you see in the market. Okay. So it's in the middle of this order block. What that means? It's not gonna go down. It's respecting equilibrium, respecting the upper half of the order block. Once you see that, what you're looking for? Bullishness. What are you gonna do? Go down to the 4-hour. Okay. What's going on in the 4-hour? This is my daily. What? Bullish order block. What time is this? 10 a.m. on a Friday. So Friday, you're already looking for money to what? I'm sorry, this is 4-hour. On Friday here, you're looking for what? Bull. Take out this high. Take out this high. Right here. What's that? That's gonna be your what? Your stop loss. That's it. Stop loss right there. Why? Because you don't want it to break underneath this. You want to go up. It's not gonna break underneath if it's going up. If it breaks this to the downside, then we're going down. You don't want that. It's going up. This is your bullish daily order block. Understand? You have to trust the market. What you see. Right here, boom, right there. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. If you did this on Friday, look at that shit. That's wild. I wasn't trading. I was on vacation. That's wild. Look at this shit. What? Look at that. 2,900 handles. And it took from Friday to Wednesday. This is a swing trade, my people. That's what you call a swing trade. Okay? You leave it. You buy on Friday. You don't want to buy on Friday, but that's what he gave you, so you take it. And you leave it. Then look at by Monday. Here's Monday. Boom. What's that? A pullback. Went back up. What's that? Pullback. See how this candle here did not close underneath this one here? It's not going down. See ya. So market structure, my people. Steps. Higher high, lower high. I'm sorry. Higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high. Break to the downside. Now what? A lower high. Boom here. And this, nothing. This is music. This fucking you up. It's gotta break underneath here to make a lower low, cause we're going down again. So once you see this, what's that? Double tops. What are you waiting for? Market to come down, fill this in, fake people out, make him sell, back up. You wait for 3 swings in the market. I've been telling you this in my videos. Market does things in threes. 1, 2. Did it take out this high? No. No, it did not. Don't argue. So if he didn't take out the high, why are you selling? Don't sell until he takes out the high. When he takes out the high, you're in that bitch. That's called a turtle soup trade. That's how easy trade is. Wait for 3 swings in the market all the time. And then look for down. See, it's not taking the lows. See that? It's not taking the lows. How about right today? I mean, yesterday. This is NASDAQ. I traded S&P 500 today. So this is yesterday's trade from NASDAQ. Boom, down. Okay. So once you see that, now in the daily, in the 1 hour, you look for what? What do you look for in the 1 hour, my peoples? Three-day look back. 3-day look back. Yes, sir. This is the high right here that this swing did not take out, but this one did, right? When you're up here, where's the money now? 3-day look back. You can't. This right here, when this price is up here, you cannot look 3 days back. You gotta wait for it to close here in the yellow line. That's the daily close. When you're here, where are they? They're not on top. You're already taken. It's in the bottom. But what happened? There's only 1, 2 moves. You see that? 1, 2 moves. And he took out this high here. This can fake you out. Okay? You can say 1, 2, 3, go down. And then you put your stop loss here and it takes it. Why? Because it's faking people out. Faking people out. And then they come up 1, 2, taking out this high, taking out that high. And then he said, let me go up here just in case. So this is where I explained to you that the market goes up to get buys from where the buys start 20 to 40 pips on top of market all the way up here to pick up. It can go all the way up to 40 pips picking up buy stops. Right here, it only went up about 10. Let me see. From there, 18. You went up like 18 to 48, 30. You went up 30 handles to get this. So if you know that this is the high they want, you have to put your stop loss about 50 handles on top of it, so the market does not take you out. If you sell here, if you sell here, your stop loss has to go 50 pips on top. It went down, accumulation, manipulation, down. Once you see it, this move down here and accumulation here, you're waiting for manipulation to the upside. This is 9:30 candle, 8 o'clock candle. This is 11 o'clock candle. Boom. And then what? Drop. So with patient, you will see the market the way you want to see it. 1, 2, 3. Down. Where does it break to the downside? Right here. That swing low. Breaking to the downside. Once you see that, and it goes back up to what? Hit the order block. Repress of the order block, fill in the CIVI, and out. It's all market structure. Market structure. You go to the 5 minutes or the 15 minutes, all the same thing. So come join me. Join my live tomorrow morning. I'll be live at 9:30 a.m. Well, I'll be starting at 9:15 for the 9:30 open. Accumulation here went up. It didn't take out the highs here, see? And down. What am I looking for now? Break a market shift to the upside. Right here. Broke this swing high. Boom, up. Now I'm waiting for what? Higher low, higher high. Higher low, higher high to go up. Okay. So my peoples, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow morning. Come join me. Let's make some videos this year. God bless all of you guys.